that the chairpersons of the HPCSA appeal tribunals at that stage, together with myself and Dr. Rosman, who's a neurologist, we got together, and with the authority of the HPCSA, we developed a committee to determine how to actually do a narrative test and what criteria should be applied. And this is the publication that then was the fruit of that committee's work. So this is a guideline published in the South African Medical Journal, SAMJ, and it was published in October 2013. And the title of this is HPCSA Serious Injury Narrative Test Guideline. Now, in this guideline, our purpose was to remedy all of the lack of clarity in the regulations. So we dealt with who must complete a narrative test report, how medical practitioners and other experts should collaborate for reasons, as Ian has referred to earlier, what the content of a narrative test report should be, in other words, what aspects should be investigated and reported on, and finally, what the bottom line criterion is for considering injuries as serious. So I'd just like to go to that first.